Hello there, from Canada. How are you? I'm sweaty and back from a dog walk, but I thought maybe you'd want to say hi to Fergus, or he could say hi to you. Okay? Just hold on. Hello, Fergus. Say hi to Justina. Hello. Are you saying hello? Or are you tired? Are you tired? Don't show us your tiny wiener. Aw, he's tired after his walk. Okay. Okay, baby. Have a good night. Bye. Oh, now you're up. Where are you going? You're following me. Oh, now you're ready to play. Hit, yeah. Oh, that's a good dog. Shake. Very nice. Other paw. Very nice. Lay down. No, that's not lay down. That's lay down. Oh, very good boy.